Hello, AI World attendees. We can't wait to see you in Las Vegas, October 13th through the 16th. Now, as we count down to AI World 2025, here are the top 10 things to look forward to. 10. The main stage is set for Oracle's biggest names. CEO Safra Catz and founder and CTO Larry Ellison will open AI World with their vision for the future of AI, cloud, and technology at Oracle. You'll also hear from our top leaders about what's next and what it means for you. These are the moments you'll be talking about all year. 9. Get ready to learn from the best. With over 900 education sessions, hands-on labs, and birds of a feather meetups, you'll find the topics that matter most to you, led by the experts who build and use these solutions every day. Whether you're looking to sharpen your skills or explore new concepts, there's something at AI World for everyone. 8. Connect with the global Oracle community. AI World unites customers, partners, and Oracle teams from around the world. It's your chance to meet new people, share ideas, and build relationships that last long after the event ends. 7. Let's talk about celebrations. Kick off the week at our welcome reception and don't miss the party on Wednesday night. We're talking great food, drinks, and a live band, Vegas style. It's the perfect way to unwind and have some fun with your peers. 6. Swag alert! Pick up free giveaways from Oracle and partners or stop by the shop for exclusive Oracle and AI World merch. Whether you're shopping for yourself or bringing something home for the family, you'll find plenty to choose from. 5. Take a break and recharge. The AI World Hub is your spot to relax, grab a coffee, enjoy a snack, or catch up with friends in our networking lounges. Sometimes the best ideas come from a casual conversation over some coffee. 4. Hear from leaders that are shaping the future. Our featured speakers include top executives and thought leaders from Oracle, our customers, and our partners. They'll share real stories about how they're solving big challenges and driving innovation with Oracle solutions. 3. See innovation in action. The AI World Hub is full of product demos, theater sessions, and hands-on experiences with the latest Oracle technology. Get a first look at what's new and what's coming next. 2. Arriving early? Take advantage of our pre-event training classes on October 13th. These expert-led sessions cover a range of technology topics and are a great way to get a head start before the main event even begins. Add it to your registration now for just $795. And the number one reason to get excited for AI World 2025? It's you. The energy, ideas, and passion you bring to Las Vegas make AI World an incredible experience every year. Whether you're a first-timer or a returning alum, you're the reason this event is so special. We're almost there. Now, if you haven't already, make sure to finalize your travel plans, book your hotel, and plan to attend one of the AI World orientation sessions on Monday, October 13th for tips on making the most of your week. Keep an eye on your inbox for more updates and details as we get closer to the big event. We'll see you soon.